You must have seen those viral cat videos that are going insanely viral right now. Just look at this channel. 2.11 lakh subscribers in just 16 videos. And this one, 27 lakh subscribers with only 97 videos. You'll be surprised to know how much these channels are earning. Yes, you too can create viral cat videos and grow your channel. And earn well from it. But I know you don't know how to make these kinds of videos. Don't worry, I'm going to give you a full tutorial. And we'll do everything using AI tools, which is super easy. So without any delay, let's begin. To create trending cat videos, first, you need to generate images. And to generate images, you'll need prompts. So you might go to ChatGPT and type, "I need to create viral cat video. Please give me prompt for image generation." But if you give such a dump prompt, you'll get poor quality images. And if your images are bad, your video won't turn out good either. That's why to create quality images, you first need to think of a video story scene. Only then can you generate a strong prompt. But I know you don't know how to do that. So why fear? I am here. I've already created special prompts for you. You can see them here. Let's just copy and paste these into ChatGPT. Boom! Look at that. Amazing prompts generated for scene creation. Now, we'll add a second prompt for image creation. In just 30 seconds, it will generate very good prompts. You can see how powerful these prompts are right here. And yes, these were created from the special prompt I gave. For this, I definitely deserves a 1 like. So just like a video, and let's start step 2. Now it's time to generate the images. There are many AI tools available in the market, but most of them don't generate consistent, detailed images, but there's one platform that does it all. The name of that AI platform is Remaker AI. Not only does it generate great images, it also creates from image to videos. Once you sign in, the interface looks like this. And look at all the tools Remaker AI offers. Honestly, I haven't seen this many tools in one place before. You can explore all of that later. For now, we'll go directly to AI image generation. Now I'll paste the prompt we got from ChatGPT. Then below that, you need to choose the Flux Schnell model, set the image ratio to 9:16, choose 2 images, and click on Generate. Boom. Within seconds, the images are ready. You can see how HD and detailed both images are. Now I'll repeat the same step. Go to ChatGPT again, grab the second prompt, come back to the image generation tool, paste it, select the same model and ratio again, click Generate, and wow. Once again, we've got some amazing images. Just look at them. Now this step needs to be repeated multiple times. I'll fast forward this part to show you quickly. Now guys, 90% of the work is done. Now we just need to convert the images into a video. And for that, you don't even need to go to another platform, because Remaker AI already has an image to video feature. Click on AI Video Generator. Now just add your images scene-wise, which I've already done. Then come back to ChatGPT, copy the scene prompts you created, and paste them in the prompt box here. The Remaker 1.0 standard model also works well and uses fewer credits, but I prefer to use Remaker 1.0 Pro because it gives even better results. Keep the prompt strength to default, set the video length to 5 seconds, and click on Generate. Boom! Within a minute, our video is generated. So guys, wasn't that an amazing video? Now we just need to repeat this step for the next few scenes. Add your second set of images, paste the second scene's prompt, select the same model, click Generate again, and wow, another awesome video is ready. Let's download and preview it. And just like that, our work is done. Repeat this process a few more times and it takes hardly 10 minutes. All your video clips will be ready. Then let's go ahead. Step 4, editing the final video. Now just download them all and merge in any editing software. I'm using CapCut here. I've added all the video clips, then I just added some transitions, sound effects, and background music, which makes our short look really professional. guys, by following these easy steps, you too can start your YouTube channel, create viral cat videos, and grow fast. But wait, the job isn't finished yet. Many people face the issue that after uploading to YouTube, the video quality drops. That's why enhancing the video is very important. So we go back to Remaker AI, click on Video Enhancer, upload your video, click Enhance Video Quality. And within minutes, your video will be enhanced. You can clearly see how much better the quality looks. So guys, to create trending cat videos, Remaker AI is your best for you to automate everything. For that, you should definitely consider getting a paid plan on Remaker AI, which is quite affordable. For example, their most popular plan costs just $9.99 and gives you 530 credits, which is a really good deal. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Until then, bye.